On the back porch, we have a grill. Has a grill cover. To operate it, you first remove the grill cover. And because of wind and everything, it's good. It's just to stuff it in one of these holes so it doesn't blow away on you. You lift up the grill cover and you have 2 trays that flip out. They're plastic, so don't fold them in when the grill's hot. Now, on the side, there's a timer that you have to activate the gas, and then you have to turn the knob to the start position, press the start button, which is battery activated, and it will start. Once you have it started, you can turn it to the temperature you desire. It will go all the way up to about 600 degrees, all the way down to 200. So to turn it off, you turn it all the way to the off position, and do not close these yet. Allow the grill to cool down before you close these up. But since we didn't run the grill for so long, it's okay to go ahead, close it up by putting those inside, close the lid, and put the cover back on. That's after it has cooled down.